Right, hello everyone. This is Rapid Reasoning and Fluent in 5 in one short video together. I'm sitting in the greenhouse, so hopefully you can see without too much light interference. But I'm going to do question 1, which is 2/6 divided by 3. So let's just write that down on my piece of paper. I don't think I can see very well in here. 2/6 divided by 3. Right, so we're going to use the strategy keep, flip, switch, which we looked at for the first time a few weeks back. Okay, sorry, they're meant to be arrows. Okay, so I'm going to keep this one as it is, keep it. I'm going to flip this, so I'm using the opposite of divide, which is times. And then I'm going to switch this one round. So remember, 3 whole can be written as 3 divided by 1, 3 over 1. So I'm going to flip that round and make it 1 over 3, 1 divided by 3. Then I just do the basic multiplication strategy for times and fractions. Times the top, times the bottom, simplify, ain't no problem. 2 times 1 is 2, 6 times 3 is 18. Ooh, right, now I know that they are in the same times table as each other. They're both in the 2s because that's the highest common factor. So how many 2s can I fit in a 2? 1. How many 2s can I fit in a 9? 18. 9. So simplified today for an extra point, the answer is 1/9. Now, yes, it is for 2 points. So if you've put this answer, you get 1. If you've put this answer, you get the extra points. You can get 2 today for that one. Good luck. Right, let me have a look at... Oh, I've lost my mouse because I can't see in this light. Not a very good light. 320 times 68. I'm not going to tell you the answer for that one. 8,700 take away 1,600. I can just see the answer there because I can work that out mentally. 39 add 17. I can also add that up mentally. 98 divided by something equals 0.098. Now I think I'll do that one because it's a mystery number. 98 divided by equals 0.098. Now I can see that 98 is still there. So it means I'm dividing by 10 or 100 or 1,000, a nice round number like that. Okay, so there's the decimal point. To get to that side, I would need to move it once, twice, 3 times. So I know the number that's got the 3 zeros in is the number 1,000, and that will get you the point, because 0.098 times 1,000, if I did the opposite, 1, 2, 3, would be the number 98. Okay, hope that helps that one. And 35% of 60. Now, I'm going to do this very smart. I know half of that is 50% and I know a quarter of it is 25%. So I'm going to work out quarter of 60. 60 divided by 4. So half of 60 is 30. And half it again is 15. So I know that 25% of that number equals 15. So 25% of 60 is 15. Now all I need to do is find the extra 10%, and I know I can do that by dividing by 10. So 60 divided by 10 is 6. So I'm going to add the 10% on. I know that 10% of 60 is 6. So 25 add 10 is 35. So the 15 add the 6 would equal 21. 5 add 6 is 11. And 1 add the 1 is 2. So 21 is 35% of 60. These should just be becoming more second nature as we keep doing them, because you're doing really well, those people who've stuck at it. 900,628 take away something equals 552,364. So I'm trying to make a smaller number. I've got the biggest number there. Using those two numbers, make a small number and put it in the gap. Easy as that. Okay, now if I go to today's, sorry, it's going to be tomorrow's now. I'm recording this early. So tomorrow's rapid reasoning, which is Wednesday. Let's just have a look at what the questions are today. Let's see if they're tricky or not. A carpet store has a one-day only special offer on carpets. The offer is that they will recarpet a whole house for £1,326. 23 people take this offer. How much money does the store take? So that's for one house. 23 people buy this deal. So it's this number times that number. So this time I am going to do the long multiplication. So if you didn't understand how to do it for the Fluent in 5, we're having another shot of it now. £1,326 times 23. So I'm going to pretend that this 2 has disappeared. So I'm just going to do 1,326 times 3. Now that's really easy. We can definitely do that one. 6 3s are 18. 8 in the box, 1 on the doorstep. 2 times 3 is 6. Add the 1 is 7. 3 times 3 is 9. And 1 times 3 is 3. That line's done. Now I'm going to cover the 3 over and I'm going to do 1,326 times 2. But actually it's not times 2, is it? It's times 20. So don't forget the viz, the very important 0. And then you can just do it the same way as the first line. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 in the box. I've run out of doorsteps. I'm going to fly this one in the sky. 2 times 2 is 4. Add the 1. 5. 3 times 2 is 6. And 1 times 2 is 2. Add those numbers together. And I should get my total amount of money that this carpet store have made on the deal. 8 add 0. 7 add 2. 9 add 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 3 on the end. So if I put the comma in, count 3 numbers from the end, put the comma in. How much money is that? Well, it's £30,000, 498. So that should get you the mark. Right, let's have a look at question number 2. Right, this is a bit of a puzzle. So you've got to work through and try and understand what information you've got and how you're going to use it to work out the mystery numbers. So it's worth 2 points. It wants you to calculate numbers A and C. So number A is 25,126 greater than number B. Well, there's number B there. So if I do this number, take away, sorry, add, because it's greater than. So this number, add that number, should give me number A. Yeah. So number A is 25,126 greater than number B. So this number plus this top number. I'm not going to work that out. I'll let you do it. And then number C is 30,847 less than number A. So once you've done that bit of information, then you can do the takeaway and see if you can work out what number C is. I'm going to let you try and get your head around that class 1 because I think that is easy once you read the question and you understand it. It's like a bit of a puzzler. Question number 3. 7/20 of year 6 are absent from school with a tummy bug. Dear me. What percentage of children are absent? Right, so you're going to look at this one and think that looks really tricky until we remember percentage means out of 100. So could I not times this fraction and try and turn it into hundredths, and then it would be really easy to work out. How would I turn 20ths into hundredths? Can I do that? Well, yeah, I times by 5. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. If you count in 20s, 5 times, you get to 100. So I'm going to times the top by 5. Remember, you've got to do the same to the top as what you do to the bottom, or vice versa. So 7 5s are 35. 35 out of 100. If you joined us for last week's maths, I think you'll be able to get how many percent that is. The answer is 35%. And that will get you the mark for question number 3. Okay, not long now before we'll be able to do this in real life. And I can give you some real help for those people who might be struggling a little bit. Okay, you're doing amazing, class 1. Well done. See you soon.